Hello friends, welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. Also take a look at some of our previously posted videos. You guys, I have a little bit of everything honestly on there, but in today's video, let's talk about how to perfectly execute a feminine bedroom. So do us a favor and join us on Facebook at And Then There Was Style, and also follow us on TikTok, the same name, And Then There Was Style. I'm definitely trying to build up my Facebook group just so we can kind of connect and talk over there. But let's jump right into the video. So are you a fan of feminine bedrooms and girly decorating? You will be totally inspired after watching this video about decorating a feminine style bedroom. I love feminine decor for its pink accents, touches of glam, and of course its floral appeal. It's a great style that doesn't necessarily have to be reminiscent of a little girl's bedroom. There are so many ways to decorate in a mature, modern, feminine style, and that's what I am going to share with you today. There are so many things to consider as you go about decorating your bedroom. From the bed to the dresser to the nightstand, there are so many essential bedroom furniture pieces. You can find lots of feminine bedroom furniture online, but you also need to consider the decor itself. Things like bed linens, sheets, pillows, lamps, curtains, and so much more. It all must fit into the feminine style of your space. The most common styles for a feminine space are vintage, shabby chic, and glam. But even if you prefer minimalism or Asian zen, there are so many ways to make your bedroom feminine nowadays. Bright splashes of color, floral patterns, gold or silver covers, beautiful fluent silhouettes. All of these would make your bedroom look like that. A feminine bedroom isn't necessarily pink. I know a lot of times we think that soft little girl pink or bubblegum pink, but guys, there's so many different ways we can go. We can choose purples, reds, even blues. I absolutely love some of these baby blue rooms that I'm seeing in this video. Choose any color from black and white to pearl gray and lilac. Sometimes just a couple of bright accents will create a girlish feel. Whether it's fuchsia, hot pink, purple, or red, they are right for what you need. A catchy and bright feminine bedroom with pink textiles and bedding, a faux fur bench, bright artwork, and touches of bold is very chic. Take a look at this chic feminine bedroom in lilac and neutrals. It has lilac walls, neutral refined furniture, lilac bedding, and artwork, plus a crystal chandelier. This is one of my favorite, guys. It is just feminine on level 10. I mean, everything about this says chic, glam, and girly. So this room is super industrial with this brick wall behind it. It's hard to get around that, but notice the furniture and also that chandelier and of course the linens that they are using. That gives this room a feminine touch. A chic feminine bedroom with gray walls, an upholstered bed, neutral and pastel bedding, wooden nightstands, and floral artwork. This room works. A colorful vintage bedroom with elegant vintage furniture, floral bedding, printed curtains, a blue table, and bold blooms. This is for all the ladies out there who want a feminine bedroom without tons of soft pink. So this bedroom is feminine yet really cool. Has a purple bed, gold nightstand, of course with candles, pink blooms, pink and white and purple pillows. Of course you see elements of fur and some black and white photography there too. So take a look at this fun and feminine bedroom with a large gray bed, pink chairs, statement plants, a cactus piece of artwork, and boho pillows. She's even using her Gucci bag as a little bit of decoration. So this is a nice neutral room that's still feminine. I love the tufted headboard, the furry pillow, and also those good furry ottomans at the foot of the bed. It gives this room a lot of layers and a lot of texture. Alright guys, so as I always do, please comment down below. Let me know your favorite room that I have showcased in this video. Would having a feminine bedroom, for those of you that are women, is this something that you would do? I feel like, well, obviously I love it. I just think I would have to do it within certain realms, so as not to make my husband feel super uncomfortable, if that makes sense. But comment down below how you feel about these rooms. So I've already asked you to comment down below your favorite usage of this feminine bedroom. If you want to see mine, I couldn't pick. I picked two, okay? So I picked this one, which was more of a feminine contemporary, and then I picked this one, which was just all the way feminine glam. I love both. I feel like both are kind of both ends of the spectrum here. Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!